Hello guys, welcome back again. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in today's video we are going to talk about how to set up our payment system for our new e-commerce website that we created. So those of you who are new over here, the last time we created an e-commerce website, if you are new, you need to check that that tutorial out. It's very detailed, that I went through every step in creating your own e-commerce website. So after creating the e-commerce website, so we created this. Let's check the website and see how it is. Yes, so we created this beautiful website over here. As you can see, very detailed, everything is in it. We created everything from scratch, and then we added our products, created the home page, created all the other pages over here, so that you can sell your things over there on the internet. So in this video, what we are going to do is to allow payment on our e-commerce website. So this is our backend of the website. This is the backend. Now, to allow payment, we need to integrate payment system into it. So for my people who are in Africa, that is, we are going to use one of the best integration solutions for small businesses in Africa, which is Paystack. Okay, so we're going to use Paystack. So you have to go to Paystack. If you don't have Paystack account, go over here, go to www.paystack.com. okay, and then create a free account over there. You don't need to pay anything, just create a free account over there. I'll leave the link in the description so that you click on it to come over here and then create your own account. So after creating your own account, you get this dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard that you see SkyTech Digital, welcome to Paystack. Now this is after creating it, you get this dashboard, and then the dashboard will be in a test mode. Okay, so I'll just click on got it. Now everything will be in a test mode, so you have to check your settings and do everything. So you have to submit all your documents and other things for them to be able to approve your account, and then you will start collecting proper payment from your how do you call it, from on your website. Okay, so this time around I'm not going to pass through. So if you want to submit your document, you need to go to this place, settings. You go to settings, fill in all these details over here. Okay, you fill in your profile, your payout account, you fill in every detail. Okay, go through all the details over there. They will guide you through all those details over there, and then you'll be able to create your own account over there, and then submit all your documents that you need to submit over there. Now after submitting and then check in all the things that you want to use on your e-commerce website. So we want to accept payment, all right, and then the payment is in Ghana cedis. So we want to accept card and then mobile money. Okay, so we take over there, and then take everything that we need to take over here, and then we click on save, and then also fill in every detail that you have to fill, so that they will process your account for you early, and then you will have to be able to accept payment. And then so after everything is done, we have to link our website to this payment system, and that is what we are going to do right now. So what we have to do is to go to API keys and webhooks. Okay, API keys and webhooks. Okay guys, so since our site or our account is in test mode, okay, we're going to use this test secret key and then test public key to integrate into accept payment in a test mode over there. Okay, but if you submit all your documents and then your account is approved, you realize that the test mode over here will change to live. Okay, your test mode will change to live, and then also you have your own, like, API keys over here, not the test mode API key, but then the proper API keys that you can be able to integrate it into your website. Okay, so we are going to use this test keys to show you how you can be able to integrate it. So first you need to copy these keys. Okay, so you show it, and then you copy the secret key, or the secret test secret key over here. Copy this one. Okay, copy this key over here. Okay, copy it and go to your dashboard. Okay, your website dashboard. Hover on WooCommerce over here, go to settings, and then from settings we go to what we call payment. Now guys, because we want to accept we want to use Paystack to accept payment over here, what we have to do is to install their plugin. And when we install their plugin, the plugin will give us access over here for us to set it up. So we haven't installed it, so first let's go to plugins. Okay, I want to add new. Okay, we click on add new plugins. Let me go back. Plugins over here, we hover on plugins over here, and then we click on add new. I want to open it in a new tab, so add new. We want to add a new plugin, okay, which is Paystack. Okay, so let's search over here at the search bar, Paystack. Type in Paystack over there, and then we'll search for you their plugin. Yes, so they have different kinds of plugin. Okay, now what we're going to search for is the one that is a really link with WooCommerce. Okay, so this is what we are going to integrate, this one. Okay, this one over here. Okay, so we click on what? Install. So after clicking on install, then we click on activate. Yes guys, so the plugin is activated. Now let's go back to the payment side and refresh it and see what happens. Yes, so as you can see, Paystack is over here. Can you see over here? Yes, so we want to activate it, and then we'll go to setup. Yes, very good. So it is activated. Okay, so everything is going out as successfully. Now you get some notices of that it is in the test mode, blah blah blah. So you say Paystack test mode is still enabled. Click here to disable it. Okay, please enter your Paystack merchant details here to be able to use Paystack WooCommerce. So we are going to enter the details. Okay, so we are going to enter the details. Now we want to enable, we don't want to disable because we want to use it in a test mode. Okay, but if you have your keys, your API keys, which is not the test mode one, and then you can disable the test mode and then use the raw API keys. Okay, but since we are using the test mode, so this is what the secret key. Okay, that is this one that we copied over here, the secret key that we copied. We come over here and then we paste it here. Okay, and then we go in for the public key, test public key. Okay, we click the test public key, we copy it, and then we come over here and then we also paste it here. Okay, now what we have to do is check the settings over here. So auto complete order after payment. Okay, so you can if you don't understand it, you can check the short description over here to see what they are talking about. So they said if enabled, the order will be marked as complete after successful payment. So you can check this one, and then remove cancel order and restore cart to cart button. So if you want to remove cancel order so that they cannot cancel the order, you can check this one. But then if you do that, it's unfair. So I want to leave it like that. And then split payment. If you want to split your payment, and then saved cards. If you want them to save the cards that they use in payment, so you can click over here so that they wouldn't be entering their cards all the time. And then custom metadata. So this one is what, if enabled, you will be able to send more information about the other payment. So if you want, that one, you can what, and then order ID, customer name, all this information will come into your Paystack account. Okay, customer email, customer phone, order billing, pin address, product purchase. Okay, all these things will come into your your Paystack account. Okay, so that you know the real details of the order that came, or the money that you received from. Okay, so as we have selected everything, now we can what, select the payment system. So what do you, the payment option, how do you want it? Do you want a pop-up or redirect? Okay, so I don't want it to redirect, I just want a pop-up to show on the page. Okay, so and then you can also customize over here. So debit stroke credit cards. Okay, and then I also add Momo to it, or mobile money. Okay, let me say mobile money, so that somebody will know that they can pay with what, mobile money. Okay, make payments using debit, your debit credit cards, and I'll add mobile money, mobile money. Okay, so if all the settings are done, okay, if all the settings are done, you just click on what, save. Now remember, this is what, this is your webhook. Okay, this is your webhook. So they said what, to avoid situation where bad network makes it impossible to verify transaction, set your webhook URL here. So make sure that you set it. So copy this one. Okay, copy this one, copy it, and then click over here as they are telling you to set it up. Okay, so you can decide to click here or go straight to what, the developer account over here. So they'll tell you how you do it. Yes, so if your how do you call it, your is in the live mode. Okay, if it is in the live mode, you have your live API keys, and then live webhook. Okay, so this is what the test webhook. So let's put it over here. Okay, we're just gonna put it over here, and then we save changes. Yes, so it is successfully saved. Now let's go over here and then save these changes too. Okay guys, so everything is saved successfully. Okay, everything is saved successfully. Now we can check it out. Okay, now before we check it out, I would like to disable it first. Okay, I would like to disable it first, and then we'll check it out how it appears, and then we will also enable it and check it out how it appears. Okay, very good. So let's go to our website. Okay, and let's see how it will behave when we add the checkout side, how it behaves. So this is our product. I want to add this red color bit, and then maybe we'll add 2, and then we'll add this one to cart. So we are buying 2 of the red. Okay, very good. So we want to view the cart. Okay, so this is our cart. Okay, now let's proceed to a checkout. Let's proceed to checkout. Okay guys, so this is our checkout place. So as you can see, we only have pay cash on delivery. Okay, that is the only thing that we have over here. There is no Paystack over there. Add a different payment system over there, which is the Paystack. Okay, so we'll enable it over here. Click on enable, and then we'll save it, and then we'll refresh our website and see how it behaves. Okay, so now let's go to the checkout and refresh it. Okay guys, so you see over here we have debit or credit card, so debit or credit cards, or mobile money. So you can pay with this one. So if your customer comes over here, the first one, and then select this one, and then if the customer wants to save the card or whatever it is, the customer can do it. So the customer can place order. Okay, after filling in all the details, the customer can place order. So when the order is placed, it will come over here for the person to pay. Okay, so the person will pay by clicking over here, and then you realize that the pop-up have to show. Okay, the pop-up have to show. Yes guys, so this is it. Okay, this is it, and it is in the test mode. Okay, so you can use any of the test cards to to complete the payment. Okay, so any of the test card. Okay, so you can use it to complete the payment. So let's choose one of them. Visa, and then you can click on pay. Okay, now if you want to come to mobile money too, you can use a test number. Okay, use the test mobile money number. Okay, and provide below to start the payment. Okay, so you can enter your mobile money number over here, and then you complete that payment. So when you choose any of this, and then you click on pay. Okay, it have to be like this, successful, and then it will automatically direct you to complete the order. Yes, so order received. Okay, thank you, your order has been received. Okay, so that is it. And then you can, if you want to order again, you click over here to order. So all your order details will come over here. Okay, so guys, basically that is how you can add a payment system, Paystack, to your website or to your e-commerce website. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.